Hi guys, this is Abi Kitchen. You're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make coconut fried rice. This is a very yummy recipe and delicious. You will like it with lots of vegetables in it. Let's prep our ingredients. I have my chicken here, transfer them into the bowl, then give them a wash. Add some vinegar into it to wash off any foul smell. Wash thoroughly so that it will be very clean. Add some water, run it in the tap. I wash like 3 times until the water is clear. That's the way I wash my chicken. So we'll give it a thorough washing. Then we'll put it on fire. We're going to cook it, boil to be soft and tender. So let's wash. Very clean. You can see the water is clear now. So we'll get a pot, put on fire and transfer the chicken into the pot. Then we add some seasoning, some bay leaves, seasoning cube, curry, thyme, some curry and thyme, some onions into it. We add some onions, some seasoning powder, and some salt to taste. We cover to steam for like 5 minutes before we add some water. I'm going to add some water. I'm adding some water to cook properly until soft and tender. Here I'm adding some garlic salt into it, a little, not too much. Garlic salt for more taste and flavor. Just give it a little stir, turn a little, then you cover. I will cover this to cook for like 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Here I'm prepping my vegetables, cutting my carrots. I'll cut the carrots into tiny bits, tiny pieces. All the vegetables will be cut into pieces. So each one I cut, I will set aside. I'm going to set the carrots aside now. Then I'll cut the green pepper, the green bell pepper. Clean, remove the seeds. I don't like the seeds. I don't like to use the seeds. So we'll cut into tiny pieces also. Before you start any cooking, make sure your workspace is clean. Every ingredient you're using is clean. We get the red bell pepper and cut that into tiny pieces also. We cut this and set it aside. Then the yellow bell pepper is the green beans. We're going to use green beans for this recipe. Cut into tiny pieces and set aside. This is chili pepper to add a little spice, make it a little bit spicy. Then we'll get our sausages. I'm going to use sausage for this recipe. We'll cut the sausages into tiny pieces also, though not too tiny. Divide into 2, then cut into biteable sizes. Then our onions, cut the onions. We need onions and spring onions too. It's very important that you Prep all your ingredients so you don't miss anyone. We're using gizzard, so I'm cutting my gizzard into biteable pieces. Biteable size. We need gizzard for this recipe. So let's check the meat. I think it's cooked. Here I've prepped all my ingredients. Everything is ready. Everything is set. So I'll drain the chicken, then start the cooking. Here I have vegetable oil, and I'm adding some onions. Stir fry the onions. Add some spices, ginger, garlic, turmeric, and give it a stir. I'll introduce my coconut milk now. Give it a stir and add some seasoning cube, like two seasoning cubes. Then I'll give it a proper stir to make sure it mixes very well. I will introduce my rice into the pot, into the coconut milk. Remember, there's coconut milk there. That is why I call it coconut fried rice. Then some salt to taste. Give it a stir properly. Then we're adding the chicken stock. We use the chicken stock to cook the rice, to boil the rice. We're going to boil the rice separate. Cover to cook on a low heat, medium heat rather. Then we'll stir fry the gizzard. Here I'm adding some ginger and garlic, some salt to taste, more seasoning, more curry and turmeric. Give it a stir. We're stir frying on a medium heat. Then some soy sauce. Mix to combine. We check the rice for doneness. It's not ready yet. Let me taste a little. Our gizzard stir fry is ready here. Then I'm going to season the chicken, then put in the oven to grill a little. Just grill it. We need it to grill. I'm not frying it. We're grilling. I get a fry pan, add some vegetable oil with some onions. I want to fry the sausages. I need to fry it to cook first. You can see it has changed to golden brown. I will introduce other vegetables, the green beans, the peas, sweet corn. And the sweet corn as they fry to cook. Add some seasoning powder and give it a stir. Add my chili pepper. Add the carrots. And I add some soy sauce to it for more taste. Stir to combine very well. Stir to combine very well. Some seasoning powder into it. Yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and the green bell pepper. Stir to combine. Then we'll introduce the stir-fried gizzard into the vegetables. Stir fry for like 5 minutes. It's done. We add to the rice, to the boiled rice. Then here we are going to combine it, stir very well to make sure it mixes properly. It's almost done. Then spring onions. We'll give it a stir. You can see our rice is ready. To add the yumminess to it, I'm adding some butter. Then I'll turn. Let's stir to combine. Mix properly. Our coconut rice, our coconut fried rice is ready. Let's check the oven for the chicken. Okay, bring it out. The chicken is ready also. Now the dishing part, let's dish. Today I'm serving this rice with some coleslaw. You're going to enjoy it with some coleslaw. I hope you like this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, like and share. Can you see how colorful this rice is? Try this recipe, let me know the outcome in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.